Balanced chemical equation. A chemical reaction in which the total mass of the elements present in the products of a chemical reaction has to be equal to that of total mass of the elements present in the reactants is called a balanced chemical equation. So what is balanced chemical equation is, taking example here, the reactants, the total mass is nothing but weight of the element present in the product, and the reactant should be same. It should not differ by one point also. It should be same. That is known as balanced chemical equation. If I am seeing an example, when zinc plus sulfuric acid is added together, we get zinc sulfate plus hydrogen gas. So we have one molecule of zinc, and in the product also we have one molecule of zinc. Whereas oxygen, we have 4 molecules. Here also we have 4 molecules of oxygen. When we say sulfur is 1, and here also sulfur is 1. Here hydrogen is 2, and here also hydrogen is 2. So the whole reaction is a balanced chemical equation.